welcome back to Shabina's kitchen. Today we are making Russian cutlet. So let's see the ingredients. Half kg chicken. हमने इसमें जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट डाला है 1 tablespoon and half teaspoon डाला है हमने salt. 4 mashed potatoes, 2 finely chopped onions, 2 finely chopped capsicums, 2 coriander leaves finely chopped, 2 grated carrots, 2 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2.5 tablespoon maida and sevaiya for coating, and salt as per taste. So first we are adding butter. Melt the butter properly. Now add maida. Now mix it well. Now we are adding onions. Saute a little. Now we are adding carrot. Now 2 capsicums and green chilies. Saute little. So now we are adding our mashed potatoes and chicken. Now we are adding black pepper powder. Now we are adding coriander leaves. Salt as per taste. Mix it well. Now turn off the heat. Now take oil in your palm and make your cutlets. Take 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and make slurry. Then coat in your sevaiya.